Hello and welcome to Volatility 411. I'm Joe Teague. Expiration was today for VIX options and futures. We're settling in for July at 1389. That's almost up a whole vol point as volatility is returning to come back into this market in a big way. Now, maybe it could be higher if this correlation were higher. We're seeing the rotation still back into the small caps, back into some of these value names, and out of the mega cap tech and out of semiconductors. Semiconductors have had a rough stretch lately. They are taking it on the chin today. Weak news out of ASML, bad news for Taiwan Semiconductor. The semiconductors are down 5% today, and that is really pushing the NASDAQ down. The rest of the market is doing okay. Actually, value doing quite well today, so it's interesting to see. But all that said, volatility is up over 14. Single name stocks, a ton of volatility. The indexes have had a lot less volatility because this correlation remains very low. When value goes up, tech goes down and vice versa. So money is still coming into the market. It's just out of some of the biggest winners so far this year. As we continue to have some of the Trump trade going on, maybe that's a weaker dollar, maybe pricing in corporate taxes being lower, maybe pricing in more inflation. All of that is speculation. We should also consider pricing in some protectionism and some tariffs. So again, that is all still too early. And sometimes when you see this momentum on this type of a trade, you might get a bit of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. And again, so many things can still happen. We are still 3.5 months out from the election. It's hard to believe. The rhetoric is just heating up. The intensity has been heating up, and it's only going to get more so as we get closer to the election. Remember, volatility is priced in already. Looking at these October futures over 18, people are expecting surprises in October, and I think chances are we're going to get them, so we better be prepared for them. I'm Joe Teague. This is Volatility 411.